Welcome to RMM Help. In this session we look at filtering using the greater than and less than options for filtering and optionally adding the equal to. This filter option can be used in any data field, including text, dates, times, and numbers including currency. Let's say we wanted to find all jobs with a work ID greater than 422760. We can see that record is here. So I could, if I wanted to, I could just copy that value, use Control and C to copy, and then I'll do the greater than sign, which is using Shift and full stop. So that right arrow is that value. And then I'll put my work ID in there, which is actually 422760, and I hit return, or I set the focus in another field and it automatically filters for me. So they're all our asset IDs greater than 422760. Let's say for instance we wanted to include 422760 in that list. We can now add the equal sign in, and I do that by just simply inserting it in between the greater than sign and the number. So I'll put in equal. Now you notice initially that we had 11 records. When I now set the focus in another field, it puts 422760, and I've now got 12 records. So that's greater than and equal to 422760. Now we can remove that filter, and we can do exactly the same thing with less than. So correspondingly we do less than with the shift and comma key, which gives us the left arrow, and then we'll put our value in again, 422760, and I'll hit return, and that then filters and it finds 1420 records. If I wanted to include, so equal to 422760, again I put the equal sign in, and when I set the focus in another field, it adds that record. There's 1421 records and 422760 at the top. If I remove the filter, I'm now back to my original data list. So that concludes the video on using greater than, less than, and the optional equal to.